Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is how to set up GA4 and its properties. So previously we have discussed about what is GA4 and what are its key features and how it is different from the traditional UA, that is universal analysis. Okay, so we basically have used to do need to do four steps in order to set up GA4. That is, this first step is open a Google Analytics account. Second step is set up GA4 properties, then create a data stream, and then enable data collection using GTM. Okay, so firstly, you need to go to google.com/analytics, and here you will get started today, and you will have some screen like this. Okay, so you will have a screen like this. If you are a new user, you know need to log in here, but as I'm an existing user, so I have multiple account here, so you need to create a new account. As the first step, let our account name be training. Training. Okay, and let's click on next. So you can see here steps are given. First, creating account, and then further steps are also given. So let us jump to the next step, that is set up property. So property name is get fit with Rahul. Okay, you need to get your time zone. I'm from India, so it will work for me. Currency is INR. Okay, perfect. So, see, account is something you need to create a single for a single same business for a single business. Property is something you can have different. For example, you have a website, then you have multiple apps, and you have different websites for different things. So properties can be different. Okay, so let us see some advanced features also here, and see, you can also create universal account property. Okay, but I will not strongly suggest it, because it will be going to discontinue from 2022 onwards. But yeah, if you are going to use web and you have some knowledge of the traditional function, so you can also add it up. Like, let's give it a try. You need to add your website URL here. We'll do this later, so we'll get back on this. Okay, now you need to click on next here. You need to have your company's size and what all things you need with this analytics tools. Okay, let's add our website here. I think this is our website. Yeah, this is it. So uh, we are enabling the universal analytic property, and we are pasting it here. Okay, now there's option for creating both Google Analytics and your use universal analytics, or only universal analytics. Okay, so I won't suggest only analytics. For a long perspective, you should go for both of them. Now this we create. Okay, select our country once again. GIA, India. I accept. Okay, you need to read the documentation thoroughly. I have already read it. So now our properties account is created and our property is created. See, this is what we also have a feature of advanced enhancement. So what this does, it This gives us extra features, some like page views, scroll views, outbound clicks, site search, and etc. So these are the additional features we get. If you do not want it, you can just click on this toggle button and turn it off. Okay, but yes, it is a good feature, you should add it on. Okay, we have our stream ID here. Okay, and we have our measurement ID with G and whatever it is. Okay, so we'll get back here. Now see, we have our data stream here, and just because we added universal analytics, so we directly get into this web here, and let us see it from here. Okay, so this is our account. I have multiple accounts for different things. This is our account, and inside accounts we have properties and apps. So we have two, get fit with Rahul and get fit with Rahul GA4. So this is GA4, and we have a unique ID here, and we also have a unique ID for this, and UA stands for universal analytics. So we can differentiate that this one is for GA4 and this one is for basic your UA analytics. Okay, it is done. Now let's add this to our tag manager. Okay, we have copied the measurement ID. Here it is written data connection isn't inactive in your website, we need to install more tags. Okay, so let's cut this everything and make sure you are using the same thing that you need to work on. Okay, so in overview we need to get into tags, then we need to add new tag. Let's name it GA4. Tag configuration, let's add GA4 configuration. Okay, paste the measurement ID here, and okay, let's tag configuring to all pages. See it, this totally depends on what you need is, but as I'm just starting my website, so I need to take my data from all the pages. Okay, so mostly it is done on all pages, but it totally depends on what your needs are. Okay, then we can do a save. Okay, so basically it is done, and now we need to test how our data is working. So click on preview. Before submitting, always test your website. Okay, and now connect. This opens my site and continue. See, as soon as my site opens, this was the first tag that is fired. Tags fired, GA4 Google Analytics configuration. Yes, it is working. Let's close this down and submit it. Okay, okay, version name is configured G with GA4. Okay, let's give this to live and publish. So yes, we are done here, successfully added our first tag. That is all for today. We'll catch up soon. Thank you.